recently took a tour of Great River Road on both the Wisconsin and Minnesota sides. One area that intrigued me in particular was the Wisconsin side of Great River Road. I've seen plenty of the Minnesota side of Great River Road, but never really explored the Wisconsin side. So I packed up my car and took a trip down Highway 35. In Minnesota and Midwest in general, we don't get a chance to see a ton of rock formations, and after spending a few weeks in the Great Southwest, I had to get my rocky cliff fix in. And so one of the most well-known and scenic rock formations in all of Wisconsin is the Maiden Rock Bluff. The bluff is actually a state natural area, and the Maiden Rock Bluff itself protects one of Wisconsin's most notable limestone cliffs. The cliff faces on a bluff high above the Mississippi River and overlooks Lake Pepin. The bluff itself extends for nearly a mile, and it's 400 feet high, and the area is extremely well known for a number of different birds and species, particularly falcons and hawks. And the bluff is extremely unique in that you get a chance to see this epic mesh of Wisconsin cornfields, forest, bluff land, and then the rocky landscapes. And then, of course, if you hike along the trail, you get a pretty epic view of Great River Road and Lake Pepin as a whole. It's a super unique landscape and terrain that makes for a great stop if you're doing a tour of Great River Road. To access the trails in the natural area itself, you'll have to get off Highway 35 or Great River Road onto County E from the north end, or County J from the south end. The south end would be if you're coming from Stockholm, Wisconsin. Maiden Rock Bluff State Natural Area is actually in Stockholm, Wisconsin, just south of the city, Maiden Rock, Wisconsin. In order to access the Maiden Rock Bluff Natural Area, you will have to get off of Great River Road, but that doesn't mean you'll be missing much of the scenic drive. You'll actually drive more inland, where you'll drive through plenty of trees and winding roads. Along that way, you'll go up the bluff about 400 feet before finding the Maiden Rock Bluff entrance. I'll let you enjoy some of this scenery before we approach the park. As you drive into Maiden Rock State Natural Area, you'll actually see a sign that says dead end. It is a dead end, but that's actually the only way that you do get to the natural area and the ability to see the bluffs, Lake Pepin, and actually hike around trails in that area. So you'll follow around the gravel road all the way to the end. There'll be a small parking area, not like a state park type parking where there's paved parking. It's actually just a small roundabout, but from there you're able to freely explore the natural area at your own leisure. If you're planning a tour of Great River Road, make sure that you make it over to Maiden Rock Bluffs for some pretty epic views of Lake Pepin.